look at this. We are getting hail. Also, it's completely flooded. The buckets are literally about to take it. Poor chickens in that house over there. They're in that. They're there. I was not expecting it for this. The driveway is literally flooding. That's at least like 3 inches of water. And the visibility is bad. You could see the hail bouncing off the trash cans. And the rain pouring down here from the house. Right here. This is bad. I had to bring the camera inside because it's flooding the garage. This is crazy. A few hours ago I was mowing. It was perfectly sunny. Now we have this. Okay, bye.